Drist the runner at first. One down. Kreidler chops it down the third base line. Good backhand stop by Chang, and his throw is perfect across the diamond. That's a heck of a play.
Very nice play. Really nice play. Backhand slid, popped up quick, and made an absolute perfect throw.
Yeah, that's Sung Chae Chang, 23-year-old out of Taiwan. And that's a heck of a defensive effort there. Yeah, and he made that look easy.
He did. He made it easy, and he probably kept him from scoring, because if that ball gets down the line, Bly's probably going to be able to score on it.
Chopper off the bat of Brian Servin right to second base. Gonzalez flipped to first to end the inning. Mudhens get a leadoff walk, but they leave a man. We'll go on to the third here at downtown Toledo. It's 1-0 Indianapolis. This is Toledo Mudhens baseball.
Had to turn and backhand it. Otherwise, I don't think he would have got it. But that's right at his glove, and he did a nice job. Those pitchers are pretty good athletes. Pretty good.
Yeah, they're athletes. As the pitch is a check swing, and did he go around? No, they say. Whoa. Wow, the appeal down to Stephen Miller there at third base. I don't know how he didn't go around on that one.
Yeah, he's definitely.
Woo. Swing and a miss that time. 1-1 on the way. He's going to swing and pop that one foul. We'll figure that out. The 1-2 is going to be off the plate. Even the count, 2 balls, 2.
Some you don't.
2-2. That one line towards right center. That's going to get down. That'll be a base hit. Rounding first and sprinting for second. Throw not in time. Oh, Chang just got in. Gage Workman not happy about it. He thought for sure he got him on the tag. Let's see if we can pick it up, Tom.
Definitely the ball beat him there.
Unroll with a great throw in. Oh, nope, he got the foot in. Looking at that replay at least, didn't you think?
Yeah, it's that short hop that he had to catch. As he's catching that ball, he had to come up with his glove, and that was all it took.
So Chang gets in there, good speed, and he gets a double, 1-out double. All right, we go on to the top of the 6th inning. Wakel Hernandez goes back to work. It's still 1-0 Indianapolis as Sung Chae Chang leads things off, and he'll take a first pitch strike. And while he's at the plate, let's get out to the third member of our crew, Brad Woznicki. Brad?
Thank you very much. Into July, you'll be chilling out here all summer, enjoying some Mudhens baseball in the Corona Home Run Patio. Back up to you.
All right, Brad, we know if we can't find you, where to find you then. If we're lost and we're like, where's Brad Woznicki? Hey, the pregame him. He's out there at center field. Great stop as the pitch is going to be a bit low to 19, and 8 of them have come against the Mudhens. The longest outing of the season for him. And a pop-up going to be foul out of play. 3-2 pitch coming up again to Chang. He misses outside. He's going to walk a batter for the first time. And a leadoff base runner here in the 6th. No action at all down in the Mudhens bullpen, and change up on the 3-2.
Yeah.
And runner goes. Chang down. Throw not in time. Stolen base number 5 for Chang.
And we know Chang can run a little bit.
Yeah, that we do know. And now he's in scoring position. Got in there. Ohio's 529 plan is teamed up with the Mudhens to present Home Run Reader, summer reading program for kids 12 and under. One lucky winner receive a $2,500 college savings. And with Indianapolis, Nick Gonzalez. And he's going to end that with a drive to left. Maybe no! What a grab by Jahmai Jones. Throw back to second, and Chang got there just in time. Oh my, Jahmai Jones. You want to talk about a play of the week, Tom Runnels?
That was awesome. Fully stretched out. Diving play, almost doubled him up at second base. That was great.
Yeah, because 1-2. Chopper going to be slow roller up the third base line. Now Vagano grabs that. There's not going to be a play. It's going to be first and third. Infield hit for Peguero. And there's 1 out. Indianapolis threatening here in the 6th. And Jack Sawinski comes to the plate. the runner at first. 3-2 pitch on the way, and it's low and outside. Ball 4. It's a walk to load the bases.
So that's to me, that's extreme.
And a line shot to right field. Unroe has to back up. It's going to be over his head. That's going to go off the wall. York heading to second. 1 run is in. Now here comes a second, and here comes a third as the ball gets away from Workman, and over to third goes York. A double and an error you would figure would go in, and it clears the bases. 4-0 Indianapolis. Well, he was going to get 2 anyway on this. And an E4 on Jace Young. That's what brings everybody home. Chang scores, Peguero scores, Sawinski scores. 2 of those runs are charged to the plate appearances left for the Mud Hens. So they've got time, although 7th. Miller pitching, Sung-Chae Chang. And it's going to be high and outside. Make it 2-0 to Chang, who's been on base twice, doubled in the 3rd and walked, stole a base, scored a run in the 6th. He started that in the 2-0. Hit high in the air to left field. And having some trouble with it is Jones. Finally, he's going to pick it up. He got that twilight sky causing a little havoc out there of inches. It has been that way tonight. And then Indianapolis has made 2 really good defensive plays where the inches were on their side, and it kept Toledo from scoring. The game could have easily been tied or Toledo in the lead if those plays go through.
No question about it.
And this game probably plays out in a total different fashion. Pitch in for a strike. And we get a challenge coming here from Chang. He thought that last pitch was a ball. And he's right. Boy, Indianapolis perfect. 3 for 3 tonight in the challenges. They've had it all working tonight.
They do. I'm sorry to.
The 1-0 is going to be right there for a strike. Well, with over 75. The 1-1. That's going to be low and inside to Chang. Cleveland. So they're hanging on. 2-1 pitch. Off the plate that time with a. Already been up, pitched in the big leagues this year. And the pitch will be a chopper foul. Another hard. 3-2 pitch will be outside. It's ball 4. Chang draws a walk, and the bases are loaded for Indianapolis here in the 9th. And the first pitch to Kreidler. Grounder hit to short. Chang with the underhand flip to Williams, and that's all for the Mud Hens in this game, as they'll leave 1 in the 9th, and the ball game goes to the Indianapolis Indians. They get their first.